Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models Delta A320 November 320 Uniform Sierra. Really excited to have a Delta 320 in the collection. This was a much needed and highly anticipated model, and NG delivered, so really excited to have it. Here's the box. Very nice box design. This one looks like got a little bit of damage on it, the box, but overall, yeah, really excited to have this. I got it after the 319, and yeah, so let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Get the card out. All right, here we have the model. Oh, beautiful. Very excited to have this. Another excellent 320 model by NG. Woo. All right, here we go. And there you have it, guys. What a model. This looks fantastic. Wish I could got more than one, but hey, one's good enough, right? Can't be too greedy. Just thankful I got this one. So yeah, we'll start off here at the front. Here you have it. Lots of great detail around here. All the various, the Sky Team, the door, all the little markings around that, and the Delta logo, the Delta titles, and the gear and the antenna all look fantastic. A very good job there by NG in terms of the detail. Obviously you got the various ports and stuff all around, looking fantastic. We move along, you have the overwing exits and the markings and everything looking fantastic. You have the antenna at the top there. CFM engines looking fantastic as well. Everything is looking great. The wings, the wingtip fences looking fantastic. Got the Wi-Fi dome here at the back and the registration along with the American flag and the L2 door there, looking really nice. Delta tail as per the usual. Let's see if it'll focus. It's 3220 on the tail number. There you go. Take it out here. Taking a spin onto this side. Car door. Same great detail on this side, looking fantastic. Very nice. Very happy to have this. Look at that. And we'll take a look here at the top down view. So there's a top down. And the bottom, Delta belly. So there you go. Very nice. Obviously the hole kind of takes out the holes for the stand, but overall some great detail at the bottom here too. And overall a stunning looking aircraft. Yeah, so it's a very, it's great that they finally released this. I know this was one that was really wanted by the community. I'm very happy to have this in the collection alongside the 319. I think it's funny because I'm pretty sure Gemini Jets also released Delta 319 or 320 after NG did. Just classic, classic Gemini Jets, just kind of crap, gotta catch up. Though it doesn't really matter. NG's moles when it comes to the Airbus fleet is just absolutely superior. So if any of you ever are looking for like a good 320, 319, 321, personally I wouldn't go with any Gemini Jets models. I'd just go with the NG versions because they're just much better overall. But that's just me, and that's just kind of what I recommend. But, obviously I know Gemini Jets a little bit cheaper, and it kind of shows sometimes. But prices are going up overall, so honestly, it's like, oof. You don't really get what you pay for sometimes with Gemini Jets. NG, though, everything so far has been going great with them from what I've seen, and these models are all turning out fantastic. No issues at all, as you can see with this 320 right here. So yeah, With that being said, guys, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care.